everyone, welcome to your section 1.2 notes part 2, which gets us into the algebraic problems in your segment addition. So just a quick refresher, remember what our segment addition rule says is that if AB plus BC is equal to AC, then B is between AC. So segment addition, if you have a line segment, A to C, and B is somewhere in between, then this side plus this side would equal the whole, right? Okay, so that's our segment addition, which is what you were doing last class with much simple problems. So these were the ones you were doing last class. We had to find the length of DF. Remember, when we have two letters next to each other with no symbol on top, that means we're finding the length or the distance between D and F. So from D to E is 2, from E to F is 6, so D to F would be 2 plus 6, which is 8. Then we did a problem similar to this. Oh no, we didn't do a problem similar to this. This is where the actual algebra is being in place. So if we use that same concept, if we use our segment addition and we take the left side, add it to the right side, and set it equal to the whole, right? Because isn't that what segment addition is? 2 plus 6 gets us to the whole, which is 8. So we can do the same thing here, but just with algebra. So if I take my left side, which would be 3x, and I add to it the right side, which is x plus 8, and set it equal to 32, then I can solve that out. So 3x plus x is 4x. 4x plus 8 is equal to 32. Subtracting 8 from both sides gets us 4x is equal to, what would be that? 32 minus 2, take away 6, so 24. Divide by 4 on both sides gets us x is equal to 6. Now notice, way back in the beginning, what were we being asked to find? We're not finding x anymore. We're finding the length of VW. So that means I have to put this 6 in place of x where my expression is for VW, because VW is right here. And that's represented by x plus 8. So VW is equal to whatever our x was plus 8. Well, what was our x? Our x was 6. 6 plus 8 gets us 14. So VW is equal to 14. Again, pause this video at any point in time to get anything jotted down. Okay, so now let's do one that does not have a diagram in it. So here it tells us that point B is between A and C on line segment AC. Can we create that in a diagram? Sure. I'm a very visual person, so I like to see things. So I have line segment AC, and it's telling me that B is somewhere in between. Doesn't matter if we put it in the middle or not in the middle. It's just somewhere in between A and C. So now use the given information to write an equation in terms of x. Solve the equation, then find AB's length and BC's length. Okay, so we're told right here that AB is equal to 3x. So I'm going to label AB as 3x. Then we're told that BC is x plus 1. And then we're told that the whole entire length of AC is 21. So we're going to do the left. We're going to add to it the right, and that's going to be equal to the whole thing. So pink plus yellow equals highlighted blue. So let's make our equation. So 3x plus x plus 1, because remember this was our pink right here, pink, this was our yellow, and then we're going to equal it to the whole thing, which was 21. So we see how that's working. So pink plus yellow, left plus right equals the whole. Combining like terms, well, I have 3x plus another x creates 4x's. 4x plus 1 equals 21. Subtracting 1 from both sides gets us 4x equals 20. X is equal to 5. But I'm not done, because go back to the original problem. What were we asked to find? Well, we were asked to find the length of AB, and we were asked to find the length of BC. So now let's do that. All right, I'm going to erase this work because I'm running out of space, and I don't quite know where my face is right now on the screen. So AB is equal to, I just forgot what x was. What was x? 5. Okay. So AB is equal to 3x. Well, what did we say x was? X was 5. So that means the length of AB is equal to 15. Let's do the same thing for BC. BC is the expression x plus 1. And what did we say x was? 5. So BC is equal to 5 plus 1, which is 6. Now this is where we can check to make sure we did things correctly. Is 15 plus 6 21? Yes, it is. So we know that we did it correctly. Okay, let's do one more like this. And then you can try some on your own in some classwork. So now we have point S that's between R and T. So here's my diagram. Line segment RT, S is in between. Just put it somewhere in between. And then use the given information. Oops, I didn't change this. This should be to find RS and ST, not AB and BC. I copied and pasted it and didn't change it. That's okay. You can make that fix there. So RS is 2x minus 8. ST is 3x minus 10. The whole thing is 17. Okay, see if you can create the equation and select the correct one in the multiple choice. Did you create the equation 2x minus 8 plus 3x minus 10, 10 equals 17? Hopefully you did. Then when you combine like terms, what would the left side combine to? Hopefully you got 5x, because 2x plus 3x makes 5x. A negative 8 and a negative 10 makes negative 18. Equal that to 17. Adding 18 to both sides gets us, too early in the morning, get my calculator out, 35. Dividing 35 by 5 gets us x equals 7. But now I'm not done, because now I got to go back in and plug that back into my expression. So 2 times 7 minus 8. Well, 2 times 7 is 14. 14 minus 8 gets us 6. So RS equals 6. That's one of our answers. ST, 3 times 7 is 21. 21 minus 10 is 11. So that makes ST equal to 11. Is 11 plus 6 17? Yes, it is. So I know that I did it right. Okay, please move on to your next assignment.